Alright guys, in this video I'll be unboxing a really weird but cool product, the GIANT AIRPODS speaker here. So here are the box packaging here. It's a multifunctional speaker. My box is pretty dented due to shipping there. So at the side here we have a few features of the speakers. We have the FM radio charging. We can insert SD card. We have the AUX cable. We also have the HD microphone, and also we have the USB flash. So here we have a 3-hour battery life through 360-degree sound. And at the back we have the specification, the sizing, the watt, and the place of origin, of course, from China. And the working distance is about 10 meters. And the other side of the box shows the indicators and buttons. So yeah, let's unbox here and see what's inside. So here is the AirPods speaker itself. It's quite big as my hand. So next up we have the auxiliary cable with the USB. This one is USB port, USB cable connected with the auxiliary cable and USB cable. I don't know how it works, but we will test it later. So here is the user manual. And let's put it all aside. And let's take a closer look on the speaker itself. So here is the comparison with the AirPods. Put it side by side, and yeah, it's 10 times, I think, about 10 times bigger. Look how big it is. So let's take a closer look on the buttons here. We have the power button here. This is the micro USB port, the USB port there. And we have the control, volume control, music controller. And here is the microphone. And I will test it, see whether we can make calls with it. So let's turn it on. Pair it with my phone here. So it detects as a G2. G, what stands for giant. So let's try a bit of music. Pretty loud, but it is not the best. It is not the best sound quality I heard from the Bluetooth speaker. So here is the volume controller. There's the maximum. So it's the play pause button. So to change the music or any audio, you can just press this button, double double click on the button to change the music. So let's try to call here. I'm calling my brother here.
Hello.
Hello.
Dengar.
Ha?
Dengar tak?
Dengar.
Dengar eh?
Dengar pecah-pecah sikit lah.
Pecah-pecah sikit.
Oh. Tapi dengar.
Dengar ya. Boleh guna pakai ke?
Macam tak jelas.
Okay.
Alright guys, so let's try the auxiliary cable there. Auxiliary cable to the earphone jack here. So I tried on my laptop here. So yeah, it works. Here are the specifications and features of the Bluetooth speaker. Alright guys, my final thought on this product. It's a really weird but cool product. I never expected this kind of thing would exist. A bigger size AirPod. Was it really necessary? It doesn't have the best sound quality of a Bluetooth speaker, and I think it is not for everyone, and most probably the Apple fanboy will definitely buy this product because yeah, it is an AirPod but bigger in size. Although the speaker has a really impressive features, multiple features, so I think it's pretty worth a buy. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.